Hello. It's me Michael Reed again. How do you make money on social media? I get this question a lot. Well, first of all you started with the wrong platform. We won't call any names. But I told you since last year if you're not using WebTalk first and then sharing your information to those other platforms. That means someone is making money off you and you're not making a penny. I told you WebTalk is the only social media that pays us just to stay active while we're using their service. Are you sharing photos and videos of your business on social media? Just to get a few likes from your friends. Why not share it on WebTalk? And while you do that, invite your friends to come and see your stuff on WebTalk. Can you imagine you have 1,000 friends? Maybe 5,000 friends or even 8,000 friends and the only time you see money is when you go to work or sell a product. Can I ask you a question? While you're listening to me, how much money have your other social media platforms paid you this year for using their service? We dance, we shout, we take personal pictures of our family and put it on social media and not a dime is given back to us. I repeat, someone is getting paid for this, but you're not. Open up a free account today on WebTalk and use it for 1 month. Stay active while you're using it, invite your friends and tell them to do the same, then come back to this video in 30 days and tell me how much have you earned doing the same thing you do on other social media sites for free. I'll leave a link below so you can join free and just to let you know free accounts earn but pro accounts earn more. See you later.